been with Dr. John for 3 years now. It started out as a birthday gift from my husband because he knew I was struggling. I had twins 12 years ago. I was in menopause after a preventative hysterectomy, and I had night sweats, hot flashes, headaches, fatigue, and just other things that were not fun. So I met Dr. John, and he suggested bioidentical hormones to me, and it's been the best decision I ever made. All of those symptoms are gone, and I feel like it's such a preventative measure for myself for down the road. I'm avoiding some things that could happen to women that go into menopause early, and I'm just so happy I'm here. It's worth every penny. I do it for myself every year, and I feel great. I have none of those symptoms anymore.